What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 23rd of June. It is Sunday. We're going to take a look here this afternoon at Aerodrome Finance and the United States dollar pair. So the ticker symbol will be AERO USD. Look at a daily chart, might drop into a 3-minute time frame. See what's going on here with the price. We'll probably take a look over at Bitcoin as well. So we did get a decent bounce on Saturday, the 22nd. Looks like the Aero price closed the day up 11%. So, hey, after basically 5 red days to get an 11% day in the green is very nice to see. So we traded quite a bit below the 71,006 level we were talking about a few days back. We closed below it on the 20th. The 22nd, we traded below it, found resistance at it, also closed below it, finally rallied back above it today, or yesterday, the 22nd. Also got back above 75.59. So we did find support at the 71,006, but it really pushed the limits first before climbing back, and it was nice to see a close above 75.59. What's going on today on this Sunday? Well, the markets are just about at the 79,340 level, 79,340, and turning that level into a level of resistance. So yesterday it almost got up there, and today it almost got up there as well. If we go down to a smaller time frame on the charts, we can see here that, zoom out here. So this is the 3-minute time frame, by the way. You can see that the markets rallied very close to the 79,340 level, and then basically ran out of juice. Once again, rallied back up, ran out of juice, and now they're slowly rolling over. We'll see if we find support at 75.59 or not. Keep an eye on that. Back to the daily. So what are some things that could play out here with Aerodrome? We had mentioned that this area, so where the price just found support, this whole cluster here was a consolidation. We're actually below the levels of the breakout back in here on the back in March. So we'll see. You know, the real struggle is Aerodrome going to be able to continue to move higher from here? You know, essentially, is the bottom in? We'll see if we can recover here. You know, the sooner the better from the resistance at 79,340. If we start to really trade back down here to like the 71,006 and maybe start to test these lows out, that's not good. You know, there's a good chance we're going to take those lows out from Friday, 65.5 level, and then, you know, start to talk about even lower prices. So we'll see. It was nice to see a higher low on Saturday, another higher low today on Sunday. So we just got to watch our levels of resistance. Like I said, 79,340. And then, you know, basically up here, 84,494. And it'd be nice to make new highs, continue to make new daily highs and new daily higher lows. So far, so good on Friday, Saturday. So far, so good on Sunday. We want to make higher highs and we want to make higher lows, new daily highs, new daily lows. And that'll, you know, one day at a time, we'll start to get the price back to the upside. So let's see how this thing plays out. So far, our level at 71,006 did end up being support, but the market really pressed it for a little while before getting back above it and closing above that level, which took place on Saturday. So that's kind of what we're seeing here for Aerodrome. You know, basically, we want to get back above 79,340, and we don't want to start to really take out the 71,006 again, and we definitely don't want to take out the lows from Friday. And then, you know, hopefully this thing finds support and continues its trend higher. That's kind of all I see here for Aerodrome. Not too much to talk about. Of course, we still have price targets way above the market. We also have price targets price support levels, price targets way below the market. Um, Both possible. It really depends on what Bitcoin does. Speaking of Bitcoin, over to Bitcoin here. Bitcoin, it's a battle. It's not just a bounce and go, a V bottom. It's trying to find support here. We started to really test it on Friday. 63,788. Let's see, 64,123, 64,375. These are all levels of support. Bitcoin's been testing it, back to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We're right in this level. And then Saturday, Sunday are very quiet inside days here. And so far, that's the support, but we'll see if it holds or not. It doesn't look too good right now, which leads me to believe that if we don't bounce here pretty soon, we're heading lower. 62,206 and 3/4 is the next level for Bitcoin. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Keep your eyes on those levels I mentioned for Aerodrome Finance. 6 p.m. here, Eastern Standard Time. We have the U.S. the futures markets open, so we'll be keeping an eye on those. If you're not yet a subscriber, join us here on the channel. Start to learn about the futures markets. There's a lot of opportunity in there. I know there's a lot of opportunity in cryptocurrencies too, but there is a ton of great opportunity in the markets in general, but in the futures markets. You guys have a great Sunday. I'll catch you guys in the next one.